San Diego is famous for its beaches and tacos, but its restaurant scene has become one of California's most exciting. Stay until the end because our final restaurant is the city's only three Michelin-starred destination where dinner becomes a full culinary experience. So San Diego, California offers everything from creative Mediterranean cooking and premium steaks to Michelin-starred sushi and elaborate tasting menus. We have picked 5 restaurants across different price levels, so there is something for both a great night out and a serious splurge. So let's begin. First is Herb and Wood. Located in Little Italy, Herb and Wood focuses on wood-fired cooking, Mediterranean-inspired flavors, and seasonal ingredients. The restaurant has a stylish atmosphere that works equally well for a casual celebration or a special dinner. It's a great middle to upscale option when you want impressive food without going straight to a tasting menu. Customer favorites include wood-fired octopus, squid ink, garganelli, and roasted duck. If I'm pronouncing these wrong, please forgive me. The average price per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A local tip I'll give you: try to share several dishes so you can experience more of the menu. So let's move on to our next restaurant. It is Juniper and Ivy. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. Juniper and Ivy in Little Italy serves creative new American cuisine with a strong focus on seasonal California ingredients. The menu changes regularly, so even familiar dishes can arrive with unexpected combination. It's a polished but relaxed choice for a memorable dinner without reaching the city's highest fine dining prices. One interesting fact is that chef Anthony Wells has helped make this restaurant one of San Diego's long-standing destination for inventive cooking. The restaurant also has maintained Michelin Guide recognition in recent years. Popular dishes include tasting menu, seasonal small plates, and yodel dessert. The average price per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A visitor tip I'll give you: check the menu before visiting because the selection changes regularly. So let's move on to our next restaurant. It is Born and Raised. Born and Raised in Little Italy delivers a glamorous modern steakhouse experience with premium beef, seafood, elaborate sides, and an impressive dining room. The restaurant is particularly memorable for celebrations and special night outs. It's definitely pricier, but you are paying for both the food and the full steakhouse experience. One interesting fact is that the restaurant was designed as a modern interpretation of classic American steakhouses with an internationally extravagant interior. Its rooftop and multi-level design help make it one of Little Italy's most recognizable dining spots. Signature favorites include dry-aged ribeye, steak Diane, and table-side preparations. The average price per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. Inside a tip I'll give you: ask about rooftop seating when making your reservations. So let's move on to our next restaurant. It is SOICHI. SOICHI in University Heights offers an intimate Japanese omakase experience centered around carefully selected seafood. Instead of choosing from a huge menu, dinners allow the chef to guide the meal through a series of courses. The restaurant has earned a Michelin star and is one of San Diego's standout destinations for serious sushi lovers. One interesting fact is that this restaurant omakase format allows the chef to build the meal around the seafood available that day. That means the experience can change considerably for one visit to another rather than following a completely fixed selection. Signature experiences include omakase, nigiri, and sashimi. Average price per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A quick tip I'll give you: go with an open mind and let the chef guide your selections. So let's move on to our next and final restaurant. It is Addison by William Bradley. It is San Diego's only 3 Michelin-starred restaurant. Chef William Bradley's tasting menu focuses on California ingredients and changes with the seasons. This is a true special occasion experience rather than an everyday dinner. One interesting fact is that Addison became the first 3 Michelin-starred restaurant in Southern California, placing it at the highest Michelin level. Its chef's tasting menu is around $385 to $395 before beverages, meaning the price reflects lengthy, multi-course fine dining experience rather than a conventional restaurant meal. Signature favorites include chef's tasting menu, California ingredients, and wine pairings. The average price per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time. And as I told you, the tasting menu is around $385 to $395 before beverages, while optional wine pairing cost extra. A quick tip I'll give you, save Addison for a milestone or truly special occasion only. So these were the 5 restaurants in San Diego, California, worth every dollar, from wood-fired Mediterranean flavors and creative new American dishes to premium steak, Michelin-star sushi, and 3 Michelin-star tasting menu. San Diego has something for almost every kind of food lover. Which restaurant would you love to visit first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing places to eat and see around the world. Thank you so much for watching.